In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to create schedules using Revit. Let's go ahead and get started. I've already created a floor plan, and you can see that there are doors shown here. So what I'll do is first click on a single door, just so that we can look at the properties. You can see that it's listed as a single glass door. There's a lot of properties here, like frame material, what details you can find, the head, and jamb details. We can also find out whether it's an interior or exterior door. And sometimes this mark type is important. So what I'll do next is I'll go ahead and create that schedule by going to the View tab, and then where you see Schedules, highlight that, click it, and select Schedules Quantities. As you can see on this window, any object or any material that's shown on Revit can be quantified. But for this exercise, we're going to go and select doors. I'll leave it to the default values and hit OK. Let's go ahead and look for the mark. Click this button here to push it. I'll look for the frame type, material, and let's look for that exterior interior property, and let's push it to the field. When you're happy with your selection, go ahead and click OK. As you can see that the mark column is actually the door types in the project, and you can see the material used, and also whether if the door is an exterior or interior door. You can see that the frame type has no values in it. So let's go back to the previous window by hitting any of these 5 buttons. I'm going to go ahead and select frame type, and instead of adding it, I'm going to go ahead and delete it using this button. And what I'll do next is click on family and also the count. Typically I'd put the count at the end of the schedule or the last column, so I'll go ahead and move that down. I'll put the family first and hit OK. So now there's a lot more details in this schedule showing the door type and also the family type. But importantly, to quantify the doors, we added that count. As you can see, each door type has one associated quantity to it. If you wanted to find out how many doors there are in a project, let's go back to the previous window and hit or check grand totals. Hit OK. And we can see here at the bottom of the sheet or the bottom of the table is the grand total, 129. You can also organize this schedule by going back to the previous window, and under the sorting grouping tab, let's sort it by the family type. I'll add a blank line in between the first separation and the next, and then I'll break it up by exterior, interior, and hit OK. As you can see, each door is now categorized under the door type, and it's broken up or categorized even further by whether it's an interior or exterior door. So that concludes our tutorial on how to create schedules using Revit. Thank you.